Shavasana, Karpa's pose. Lie flat on the back with the arms about 15 centimeters away from the body. Palms facing upward. A thin pillow or folded cloth may be placed behind the head to prevent discomfort. Let the fingers curl up slightly. Slightly. Move the feet slightly apart to a comfortable position and close the eyes. The head and spine should be in a straight line. Make sure the head does not fall to one side or the other. Relax the whole body and stop all physical movement. Become aware of the natural breath and allow it to become rhythmic and relaxed. Begin to count the breaths from number 27 backwards to 0. Mentally repeat. I am breathing in 27. I am breathing out 27. I am breathing in 26. I am breathing out 26. And so on back to 0. If the mind wanders and the next number is forgotten, bring it back to the counting and start again at 27. If the mind can be kept on the breath for a few minutes, the body will relax. Begin to count the breath from 27 backwards to 0. This asana relaxes the whole psychophysiological system. It should ideally be practiced before sleep, before, during, and after asana practice, particularly after dynamic exercise such as Surya Namaskara and When the practitioner feels physically and mentally tired, it develops body awareness. When the body is completely relaxed, awareness of the mind increases, developing pratyahara. Do not move the body at all during the practice, as even the slightest movement disturbs the practice. For maximum benefits, this technique should be performed after a hard day's work, before evening activities, or to refresh the body and mind before sitting for meditation, or just before sleep. This asana is also known as Mritasana, the dead man's pose. Continue your breath count. Now, slowly stop counting. Become aware of the natural breath and allow it to become rhythmic and relaxed. Become aware of the body and surroundings. And gently and smoothly release the posture. Slowly join your legs together. Turn to your right side. Left palm on the floor. Sit in a comfortable position, but don't open your eyes. Let us sit in a meditation for few minutes. Meditation is a way for nourishing and blossoming the divinity within you. Meditation is being in tune with our inner universe. Quiet the mind and the soul will speak. Meditation means dissolving the invisible walls that unawareness has built. Meditation provides a way of feeling. Meditation provides a way of learning how to let go. As we sit the self, we have been trying to construct and make into a nice, neat package continues to unravel. The heart of meditation is talking ourselves a little less seriously. Let the light of the heart engulf you. Meditation means the recognition one's own true self. It does not mean to be in a place where there is no noise, trouble, or hard work. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Open your eyes.